I'm right here at Tonaton.com, Ghana's largest marketplace, right here inside East Legon. I just want to tour the whole company and also have a tete-a-tete with the digital sales marketing executive. His name is Mr. Daniel, and he's my guest for today. And also get to find out what are they doing as a company to put safety measures in place so that we don't find ourselves getting scammed at all. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Your guess is as good as mine. Let's go. Wow, lovely place. I like
my guy.
This place. Hey, Maji, what's up, man?
But I'm great. I'm great.
Cool?
Everything is perfect.
Finally,
yeah, finally you're here. Finally you're here.
Hey.
Before Tonaton was established in Ghana, a lot of people were finding it difficult and being frustrated with having transactions and finding the right information, finding the right people they want to buy, they want to sell. But with our establishment since 2013, we have really helped a lot of businesses and individuals, and that's something we are happy. That's why we still do what we do.
Wow.
Yes.
You have nothing to do with transactions.
No, Tonaton doesn't do transactions. We are not involved in transactions.
I see.
So that's why people sometimes get confused. So in the online space, we have online retail and we have classifieds. So online retail, they have products and then they sell to you and they deliver to you. But with classifieds, we create a platform and an avenue so that all sellers in the market for specific products and all buyers in the market for specific products can meet. So if you go to Tonaton.com right now, if you download our app, you'd see people, hundreds of thousands of people who have different cars available for sale. And you see people as well sitting in their homes or in their offices looking for cars to buy. So we have provided that efficiency where no matter where you are, you can find out more information about anything you're trying to buy. Look at the options, make your decision, and then meet the person. And then transaction happens between you and the person. So we are not involved in transaction in any way when it comes to our classified business model. Yes. So and people don't pay us or anything on site, like you're trying to buy a phone and then you pay Tonaton to buy the phone. No. So we give you the information. You look at whoever you want to do business with. You meet the person, and then both of you have it. We are not even a third party in this.
I see.
Yeah.
Wow.
Someone in Adabraka is looking for a car. How will the person know that you have that car they are looking for in East Legon? So they post all of these things on Tonaton.com, and then someone in Kumasi is looking for a Benz or for a Corolla, and the person knows that you have it, and then they meet you in transaction. So it's helping a lot of these garages, a lot of these property companies, a lot of these people, entrepreneurs, startups who are selling dresses, who are selling phones, I mean, and all that. It's helping hundreds and thousands of Ghanaians.
So you know this place is quite busy. This man is a busy man. I'm even, God being so good, he came out at the right time. Because we can't even go in there because Charlie, plenty people did. But nice, Tonaton Hall of Fame.
Yes.
Wow.
So monthly we update this to celebrate our employees who are really doing amazing, our star performers. So currently this week this is being updated. So if you had come here maybe if you had come in the next 2 days, you would have seen all this place filled with our star performers.
Just to wrap it up, I mean this is just a turnaround, but just to wrap it up, people are being taken advantage of. Especially on a lot Instagram, Facebook. The telcos are finding it difficult to get all these scammers and fraudsters eradicated from the system. Your platform is not an exception to as well. A lot of people, in fact, when I was coming here, a lot of people were saying, Charlie, Tonaton, yeah. And I was like, no. I need to come and hear from the company because I'm not saying they have nothing to do with stuff like that. So enlighten us a bit. I mean, what are some of the safety precautions we're supposed to look out for when we're buying and selling on Tonaton?
So the safety precautions that people should always look out for, not when buying on Tonaton, but when buying in life. Because I've heard people say that, I had someone tell me that Tonaton frauded me, and I made the person know that Tonaton didn't fraud you. There are scammers out there who frauded you. You see, scammers are not on Tonaton. Scammers are within the populace. Ghanaian populace, international populace, scammers are everywhere. and they use various places, platforms, and organizations to dupe others.
Yeah,
you get it. So you would realize that, for example, I had someone tell me that she saw something on a WhatsApp group, somebody selling something, and then later she sent money to the person, and then she was duped. So with that, she realized that, oh, okay, so it's not like scammers are on Tonaton. Scammers are everywhere. So are you going to say that WhatsApp duped you?
Yes.
Or if
you can never say that.
Yes, and currently there's another one going where there's a big Instagram account, a lot of following. They are selling stuff, they are selling products, and then they tell you that payment, send payment, and they deliver. 2 of my friends have been duped with that. And then when they send the money, all of a sudden the account doesn't exist. Is Instagram a scamming platform? No. And people are using this Momo fraud. Someone calls you, I sent money to your account, send it to me back. Are the telcos fraud?
No.
So I want people to understand something. And last one, you know, there's this noise going on about this Dr. U, and he uses the UN to scam others and all that.
Charlie.
So is the UN fraudulent?
No.
You see, so people are out there who take advantage of places, platforms, and organizations to dupe others. So the right thing we must do is to come together with the organizations and fight the scammers, not fight the organizations. You see, so we are not involved in transactions in any way. However, we've provided a platform where people are able to transact. However, 0.0001% will try to take advantage of others. So scammers are everywhere, not on the platform. So whether you are trading or you are trying to get someone's contact on Tonaton to transact, or it's physical contact, or it's on Instagram, or it's on WhatsApp, or it's through a friend, or it's even through a brother or whatever, you must always exercise due diligence.
That's right.
And that is what most people lack.
Thanks, man. All right. Okay. So apparently just gonna leave Dan for this one, and if you should see my face once again, it would be something different on a different platform too as well. So we'll get to see what happens, but the word is exercise due diligence.